Welcome back, lovely viewers. We've noticed some comments and concerns about finger size, and we want to assure you that there's absolutely no reason to feel insecure. Remember, beauty is not defined by the length or size of your fingers, nor by any single feature. Beauty comes in all shapes and sizes, and it's all about embracing and enhancing what makes you unique. Hello, beautiful souls, and welcome to the second part of the Glow Up Tips series. We're here to share easy and safe tips to help you radiate confidence from the inside out. This series is not about changing who you are, but rather about highlighting and enhancing your natural beauty. Today, we're kicking off the first tip in our series: exercises for leaner and longer fingers. These exercises are designed to improve your finger flexibility and strength, which can give the illusion of leaner and longer fingers. Remember, the goal here is not to change your fingers, but to help you feel more confident and comfortable with them. Are you ready to start your journey towards a more confident you? Let's dive into our first tip. Before we dive deeper into our finger exercises, it's crucial that we first understand the structure of our fingers. Our fingers are complex structures made up of bones, ligaments, tendons, and muscles. The shape of our fingers is primarily determined by the bone structure. Now, you may ask, why do we need finger exercises if bones determine their shape? Well, while it's true that the bone structure greatly influences the shape of our fingers, exercises can help tone the muscles around our fingers, subtly enhancing their appearance and giving the illusion of a more streamlined look. This is similar to how regular workouts can help tone your body and make you appear more fit. Remember, these exercises are not about changing your fingers, but about maximizing what you already have and helping you feel more confident and comfortable with them. Now that we have a better understanding of our fingers, we can move on to the exercises with a clearer purpose and goal. So, are you ready to proceed with the journey of self-love and embrace your beautiful fingers? Let's go! Alright, glow getters, it's time for the main event, the finger shaping exercise. This is not just a random exercise, but the second part of our beloved Glow Up Tips series. Today, we are focusing on enhancing the beauty of your hands. We're coming at you with 5 unique tips. 1. The finger shaping exercise, not just an average workout, it's an integral part of your daily skincare or self-care routine. It's a way to show some love, gratitude to your hands that work so hard for you every day. 2. Now let's delve into the demonstration of the finger shaping exercise. Start by stretching out your fingers, ensuring they are relaxed and not stiff. Then make a fist and slowly relax your fingers, extending them out as far as you can. Repeating this process for about 2 minutes can make a world of difference. 3. Just like any other exercise, the key here is patience and consistency. Don't get disheartened if you do not see immediate results. Remember, you didn't grow these fingers overnight, so don't expect them to change their shape in a day. This is a journey of self-love and appreciation for your unique body. 4. The fourth tip is to clean your fingers regularly. This habit can significantly improve their hygiene and can enhance their natural glow. 5. Finally, moisturize your fingers. Moisturizing helps to keep them soft and supple, giving them a healthier look overall. Remember, your self-love journey is the key to confidence and radiance. So, stay tuned for more unique glow-up tips in the next scene. Alright, glow-getters, we've wrapped up our finger shaping exercise. As we progress together towards becoming a more confident and radiant version of you, we're thrilled to unfold what we have in store next. In the upcoming section, the prime focus would be 1. Unveiling skincare secrets essential for maintaining a transparent and vigorous complexion, emphasizing the significance of hydration, exfoliation, and the wonder of certain organic ingredients. Presenting some basic yet result-oriented workouts to maintain the viewer's activity, health, and vitality. Always remember, you are beautiful just the way you are.